If you're here watching this video, you probably picked up one of the Eufy 25Cs and are having some issues setting it up. In this video, I'll be walking through the full setup process. If you're interested in seeing an unboxing or a review of this product, you can find those links in the description below. To actually begin setting up the Eufy 25C by Anker, it is fairly simplistic. You do have to first off remove a sticker that was on top of the robot vacuum. That then points to the power button where you have to turn it on. And then from there you can remove some foam padding that protects the bumper in shipping. And then lastly, you clip in some brushes that are included as well. There's only two, they include 4 in the packaging, but you only put on 2 and they snap in. Make sure you get them to snap. After that point, you simply plug in the power supply to the dock and then the power supply to the wall. Bada bing, bada boom, you are ready to go. At that point, you can control the vacuum using the remote, which you do have to install batteries in. They are included in the packaging as well. From this point, you can either just use the remote to control the vacuum or the buttons on top, featuring the play pause button, as well as the indicator for it to go back to charging. I'm going to be talking about setting it up via the app though, so we will set this remote aside for now. One thing that I have to point out, that if you are having some trouble connecting this up to your Wi-Fi, it's probably because you only have a 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi band. This product is only compatible with 2.4 gigahertz Wi-Fi. In most cases, modern routers are dual band, meaning they have both 2.4 and 5, but if you got something relatively new that only features a 5 gigahertz band, you may be running into some issues there. With your smartphone, you'll have to download the EufyHome app, which is available on Android and iPhone. And once you open it up, it goes through the easy setup, preset times, new visuals, yada yada yada, experience now. Then you will have to sign up with an account. Once you've logged into your account, you can add a device. We are adding a robotic vacuum. We'll give it permission to use my location. Then we have to go in and select our vacuum, which is the Robovac 25c. Then we enter our Wi-Fi password. And we need to turn on the power switch, which is already on, and make sure that the Wi-Fi status light is flashing slowly, which ours is, status confirmed. And then we have to go to our settings, Wi-Fi, Robovac. Scroll back to the app. Okay, connecting. It's gonna go through this process, slowly but surely. Oh. Okay, now finished. So once it finishes connecting, you do have the opportunity to change the vacuum name, which I will not. I will just simply save the name, go to my devices, and boom! I can see that it has a status of charging. We can look at the cleaning status, pause or play, or control it directionally. That's kind of fun. Set the cleaning mode, switch between auto, quick, spot, edge, yada yada yada, and tap here to set weekly schedules, as well as send it to home, and then find it, which I don't know how you'd lose this thing, but you could. Some of the mode buttons include an automatic, where we have it in max mode. Let's pause that for a second. As well as a time mode, and then this is a spot mode. And then lastly, an edge mode. For the weekly schedule, you select it by the days of the week and then enter the time when you want it to start. For the home button, we'll send it back home. Find your house. Parking. And then there is the find function, which Yeah, it says it's charging, so you can update firmware settings and remove the device if you'd like, but we won't do that for now. If you do have any other questions about the setup, please do comment those down below. Unfortunately, I don't have a smart home device to plug this into, like a Google Home or an Amazon Alexa. If you would find that helpful, I can get my hands on one and do that video as well. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to drop a like on it. Also, make sure to click that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any future content. As always, folks, we'll catch you in the next one. Bird out.